शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
Lord Shiva has woken up from the deep samadhi. His face is shining and showing that he has come out of the samadhi. So further he teaches Vasishtha. Ishvara uvacha.
ईश्वर उवाच मुने मननमाहूय स्वसत्तैवाशु मीयताम् स्वमर्थं माहरानर्थम् पवनः स्पन्दतामिव। Note the sandhi ma ahara anartham. Ma ahara anartham. Now anvaya mune mananam ahuya swasatta eva ashu मीयताम्। एड तत्र प्रतीचि एड तत्र प्रतीचि अनर्थम त्वमर्थम मा आहर पवनः एड आकाशम स्पंदताम इव।
Spandatam add nayan iva. Spandatam add nayan continue iva. During the second session, first session is over. During the second session, first of all, Lord Shiva tells about the means, that is, If you want to get the Tattva Bodha, if you want to gain the Atma Sakshatkara, so what are the means and what exactly is to be sought? Upaya means means. Upeya means the thing to be sought. Means that is Brahma or knowledge. What is it? That is now he said. Because without a means, how can one proceed? So he said, Mune. Mune, you can add there, Prathamam. After Mune, add Prathamam. Mananam Ahuya. Mananam is Vicharam, Atma Vicharam. Ahuya, literally Ahuya means having called. There is no question of calling here. Having taken to. Or directed, the thought directed to. So, towards Atma Vichara means having taken to Atma Vichara. Swasatta eva ashu miyatam. Swasya pratīcyaha satta. Swasya, of one's. Pratīcyaha, pratīcyaha, that is, what is pratīcyaha? Pratyagatmanaha. The Atma free from all the adhyastha prapancha. Pratīcyaha, swasya pratīcyaha, pratyagatmanaha. Satta. What is satta? Paramarthika rupam. Paramartha swarupa. The true nature. Paramarthika rupam. Satta. Eva, that only. Ashu. Quickly, immediately, no postponement. After retirement, they can do. So this after retirement will not work. Priority should be given. First and foremost priority is for this. And rest all are second priorities. You know, if it is for Adhyatma Vidya, Shastra gives permission to violate certain norms also. Standard norms also if you can violate. Which are generally expected by the Shastra as a thing to be done. But if it is meant for gaining Adhyatma Jnana, one has got the permission to violate them also, not otherwise. Not otherwise. For example, children should obey the parents. But if parents come in the way of pursuit of gaining the Atma Jnana, what happens? They can just, that means, disobey and go bypass. bypass them. So that is there. No, because this is the priority. Right? Human embodiment is meant for that, not for khao, piyo, vaja karo. So that can be, that is possible in other embodiments also. So therefore say Ashu. Ashu means priority. After retirement, many organs are not functioning properly. All attention goes to keep the body erect only. What attention can be given here? So therefore, so Ashu as early as possible. Miyatam. Miyatam means Pramanaihi Nirdharyatam. The Swarupa, let it be ascertained by Praman, by Pramanaihi Nirdharyatam. And then one word of precaution. Please get away from this. Don't go anywhere near this. What are those? Says Niyata. Tatra Pratichi. That means with respect to Atma Swarupa, Anartham Tvamartham Ma Ahara. Don't bring this. Ahara, take to or bring. Take to. What? Tatra means Tatra Pratichi. Tatra Pratichi means with respect to Atma Swarupa, when you are engaged in the pursuit of gaining the Atma Jnana, says, so this Tvamartha, Anartham Tvamartham. First let us see what is Tvamartham. Tvam is what? You. But Tvam, yet it encompasses whatever other, you means what? Different from me. All that is different from me can be clubbed in Tvamartha, means as used in Sutra Bhashya, Yushmat, means it stands for Idam. Entire Idam Prapancha different from Aham. So that is it. Tvamartham stands for Yushmat Pratyaya Yogyam. That which is different from me, Yogyam. So means Idam. Whatever that you can term as this, Idam, Tvamartham, Anartham. Do you know why Anartha? It creates Bahirmukhata, extrovertedness. Not putting forth efforts to know oneself, it keeps the person engaged in extrovertedness. Bahirmukhata. Because by taking higher means, by inducing the Bahirmukhata, it becomes what? Idam, Vishaya, anything other than me, becomes the source of anartha samsara, to keep it continued. It becomes the means to keep the samsara continued. Mahara, don't take it. How the noun says, how this idam, that Tvamartha, creates havoc by inducing its extrovertedness, is explained with the help of an illustration. So, what is that? Pavanaha akasham spandatam nayan iva. Akasha is space. Can the wind set motion in space? Just impossible. But for practical purpose, when the storm comes, what happens? So the entire space gets filled up with dust storm, let us say, that dust, or say mist, mist, fog, mist, etc. So as if what? As if the space is in motion, means space is other than what it is. Undesirable things are there in the space. Like that, this Tvamartha invites all the sources of calamities and sorrows. Be careful about this Tvamartha, Idam Vishaya. Continue.
द्रष्टव्यमिह यत्किञ्चित् तद्दृष्टं किं समं भ्रमैः न हि हेयमुपादेयम् चेह पश्यामि तद्विदः अन्वय इह यत्किञ्चित् द्रष्टव्यम् तद्दृष्टम्
यत्किञ्चित् द्रष्टव्यं तद्दृष्टं
भ्रमैः समं किं भ्रमैः समं किं तद्विदः इह हेयम् उपादेयं च न हि पश्यामि तद्विदः इह हेयम् उपादेयं च न हि पश्यामि.
So, Tvamartham ma aharavastu. Anything that is idam, don't take to. Doubt can come. Say, look, whatever that is available in the Jagat other than me as this, all of them may not be useful. Many of them may be useless or harmful, etc. But there are still many other things which are useful. How do you say, as a rule, as a blanket rule, don't take to idam? How it can be said so? That is the doubt. For that we say, listen. Yes, from the worldly standpoint, in the world, that means there are certain heya, upadeya things are there. Things to be given up, things to be acquired. But he says, we are talking of the knowledge of that thing. When that knowledge is gained, everything else becomes as good as known. Shruti says, yena ashrutam shrutam bhavati. Yena ashrutam shrutam bhavati. By knowing which, whatever you have not inquired into becomes as good as inquired into. Amatam matam bhavati. Whichever you have not thought of or reflected upon is as good as reflected. Avijñātam vijñātam bhavati. Whatever that is not known, it becomes as though it is known. Why? You are knowing the very basis of entire creation. If you know the basis, everything is as good as known. So therefore, say, here, there is no point in running after the Vishaya. Know the very basis of that, everything is as good as known. And that being the case, Jnani is, having known the Adhisthana of the Jagat, they find that thereafter there is neither Heya nor Upadeya. Why Heya? To be given up. What for? Source of sorrow. Upadeya, to be acquired. What for? Source of happiness. When you have discovered the Paramananda Swarupa, free from sorrow, samsara, free from samsara, there is neither Heya nor Upadeya. So from that standpoint you say, Iha. Iha means Sarva Drashtaveshu. In all the Drashtavya means Idam, Jagat, whatever that can be preached. That is where is the Drishya Jagat. Say, Yat Kinchit Drashtavyam. Say, whatever that needs to be known, Tat, that one, Drishtam. How Drishtam? Tatvataha Drishtatvat. When you know the basis, they are as good as known. When you have known the rope, snake is as good as known as Mithya. So therefore it says, Tat Drishtam means Tat Tatvataha Drishtam. Whatever that needs to be known in the entire creation is as well as known on gaining the Tattva Jnana, the knowledge of everything. It says, Brahmaihi samam kim prayojanam. Brahmaihi samam. Samam here, saha. Brahmaihi means drishtaihi, adrishtaihi va brahmaihi. All Brahma, erroneous notion about the perceptible thing, imperceptible thing, he available here, available hereafter, adrishta, hereafter in heaven, etc. Says, saha, kim prayojanam. Kim in the sense of objection. What means, what are you going to get out of it? What utility is found out of that? Means nothing useful is found out of that. So, because tadvidaha means jnaninaha, those who are tattvavid, those who know the very basis of the entire jagat and nothing but Chit, Brahma only, Atma only. Tadvidaha, what they do? Iha Bhranti Vishayi, with respect to this Bhranti Rupa Samsara, Bhranti Rupa Jagat, Bhranti Vishayi, Heyam upadeyam cha. So either something to be abandoned, heya, upadeya, other thing something to be acquired, upadeyam cha nahi pashyami. No, not tadvidaha. Tadvidaha means tadvidaha. Nahi pashyami. So here tadvidaha is not nominative plural. Tadvidaha means of that person who is tattvavid. Sixth case it is. Sixth case of tattvavid means of the person is for I don't find anything that is either heya or upadeya as far as who tattvavid is concerned. For samsari, yes, samsari nothing but heyam upadeya. There is nothing else at all. But as for on the standpoint of tattvavid, tattvavidaha means of tattvavid, something heyam upadeyam for who tattvavid. I don't find. Who says I don't find? Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva says I don't find anything that can be acquired or given up from the standpoint of the tattva. Why? When I discovered the Swarupa, that is what, there is nothing else to be sought, nothing else to be abandoned. Master, what is to be done? That is fine. That is after gaining Tattva Jnana. But before that, attraction is there, repulsion is there. Not simply attraction, repulsion also is there. So few things we want to run away, many more things we would like to have it. So what to do about that? She says, be a dhiraha, not a darpokaha. So be a dhiraha. Have got that courage. See? Paranchikhani vyatranat swayam bhu tasmat paran pashyati na antaratma. The very nature of the creation is such that jivas are extroverts in nature. Tasmat param pashyati hu. So avrita chakshu dhiraha. Dhiraha. Some dhiraha, one who has got that bold courage to have the avrita chakshu, means to withdraw oneself from the sense object. Kaschid pratyagatmanam aiksha. Could see the pratyagatma sarupa. So therefore, he says, overcome these two things and be a dhiraha, so that you can gain the knowledge of Swarupa. Continue.
Shantya Shanti Maya Netan Shantya Shanti Maya Netan Shantya Shanti Maya Netan Vikalpantalayanasi Dhirosi Nanyatha Sthitva Tvameva bhavachatmadruk. Advaya. Shanti ashantim shanti Shantya Shanti Mayan Etan Vikalpan Dalayan,
or you can take that way. Etan Shantya Shantimayan Vikalpa. Etan Shantya Shantimayan Vikalpa.
Etan Shantya Shantimayan Vikalpan Dalayan Asihi.
And bhavasite Asihi. Actually, Asi itself is Bhavati. Okay.
Asihi Tvameva Dhiraha Asi. Tvameva Dhiraha Asi. Anyatha No.
Anyatha Dhiraha No.
Anyatha, again add Dhiraha No. Astitva.
After Na, add Ataha.
After Na, add Ataha. Ataha. Astitva. Atmadruk cha bhava.
First, get rid of these two. What are the Dalayan? See, that is dispelling away, driving away, tearing asunder. What are those? Etan, the Shantimayan Vikalpan. It is respect Shantimaya Vikalpan, Ashantimaya Vikalpan. Shantimayan Vikalpan has to be split. Two types of Vikalpas. So, Vikalpas means Vedas, varieties. What are these? These two varieties which are universally found. What are those? Shantimaya Vikalpa, Ashantimaya Vikalpa. What is Shantimaya Vikalpa? When desired things are got, Abba. See? See? And that is one thing. Or when undesirable things are avoided, Abba. A sense of relief comes, no? I got it. Or I got rid of it. So that person. You know that in America, this transcendental meditation was in much currency. Olden days, now, many years. Who is that? Mahesh Yogi. PM. So somebody, gentleman, got one mantra and they have to sign a paper. It will not be disclosed to anyone. And this fellow is very religiously doing the japa. Wife was very curious. What are you doing? Japa. What is that japa? It's chanting of mantra. What is that mantra? I can't tell you. I have signed a paper. She became more curious. Just curiosity. Again she asked. So she is pestering away. But he is not, because it should not be disclosed. But he is doing very meticulously. He is doing. So she got so why? What? You can't tell me. You can't tell. Sorry, I can't tell you. So, and she got this. Look, I'm quitting now. She waited for some time, but he didn't disclose her. She filled up 2 suitcases and moved away. He said, Abba, it works. Abba, it works. So it works. Abba. So either Abba, I got it. Abba, I got it. So both things. So that is what Shantimaya Vikalpa. This sense of satisfaction. Okay. Now other Ashantimaya Vikalpa. Ayyo, this is not fulfilled. I wanted this, but this desire is not fulfilled. Or ayyo, this I didn't want, but it came. Means Ishta not fulfilled, Anishta arrived. This is what is that Ashantimaya Vikalpa. Just introspect. Life is nothing but these two. Life is, common person's life is nothing but only these two. Therefore what is that? Then be bold now. It is natural. These two are natural. There is nothing unnatural about them. These two are natural. Now get rid of it. Have that courage and guts, you know that. Dhira means what? Guts. Have that guts now. See? Shant, etam, shant, vikalpam, dalayan. Means driving away, means not being a victim to this, not giving room to this. Say, asihi bhavati chet, if you are so, means if you have become the one who drives away these two, that means vikalpas, varieties, then we say, no, do you know who you are? Dhiraha asi. So that certainly you are a dhiraha, a man to be reckoned with. Means man with guts, that guts, not a person who gets carried away by the flow of the world as such. Like not a person who has fallen in the river and gets carried away in the one who has got the courage to swim against the current. You have got the real dhiraha asi, you are bold enough asi. Anyatha, if you get victimized by shanti maya vikalpas, you say no asi, no dhiraha, you are not a courageous person. So this is the real courageous. So ataha, therefore, what you do? Asthitva. Asthitva means astham vidhaya, having taken interest in gaining the knowledge, carefully putting forth the appropriate efforts. Astitva, having taken interest in gaining the knowledge, he says, carefully putting forth the appropriate efforts. Astitva. Do you know what you do? You become such an accomplished person. Atma dhricha bhava. Become Atmadrik, Atmajnani. Cha is there for Dhiraha Bhava. Atmadrik Bhava, Dhiraha Bhava. So become Atmadrik and also Dhiraha. So what is that means? Well, what does it mean? What is Atmadriktva? Abidance in the Atma Swarupa. What is the first requisite for that? Atma Swarupa is free from Adhyastha Vishaya. If the mind has got preoccupied with Adhyastha Vishaya, it cannot cognize directly the Atma Swarupa. So therefore, it says the main, that is the rule or precept, sacred precept in gaining the Atma Jnana is what? Get rid of Drishyakara preoccupation. Tikakara says, Drishyakara anaskandita. Drishyakaraihi anaskandita Chidatma swabhavavasthitihi Chidatma swabhave avasthitihi Chidatma swabhave avasthitihi eva mukhyaha kalpaha iti bhava. Very important, that's why I am giving you. It is a mukhyaha kalpaha iti bhava. Drishyakaraihi anaskandita Chidatma swabhavasya swabhave avasthitihi abidance in Chidatma Swabhava means Chidatma Swarupa. But what type of Chidatma Swarupa it is? Drishyakaraihi anaskandita. Anaskandita means not assailed. Not that is full of what Drishyakara means, Drishya vrittis. So now you know. This is Mukhyaha Kalpaha, the main sacred precept, rule or ordinance. That's why, see, even Shiva at the first level, what is that? Withdraw yourself from the Vishaya Jagat. Now, if you are unable to become Atmadrik, what is that Atmadrik? Mind getting totally absorbed in the Atma Swarupa. if you are not able to become the Atma Sarupa, then do take to little, that means effort with respect to the centered on the Bahya Jagat in terms of Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. So, if you are incapable of we are becoming the Atmajnani, then Atmajnani means what? As in, it is that Turyatita Pada, abidance the Turyatita Pada. If you are unable to that, that means for some time, so what is that? Take the Bahya Drishti. Bahya Drishti, what type of Bahya Drishti? Which is conducive to Shravana, Manana and Nididhyasana. So, by Nirantara, by continuous and consistent, so that effort in terms of Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana, for which you have to take to Bahya Drishti, means you have to depend on few, this thing for Shastra, Guru, again certain sadhana, so you have to take to them and then become Atma Drik. Continue.
Imam Drushyadasamashu Bahya Bodhaya Va Punaha Samasritya Maduktam Tvam Shrunotushnim Sthitena Kim Sthitena Kim Shrunotushnim Sthitena Kim. Advaya Punaha Va Bahya Bodhaya Ashu Imam Drusyadasham Samasritya Tvam Maduktam Shruno Tushnim Sthitena Kim.
Punahava further means if you are unable to become an Atma Drik, if Atma Sakshatkara is not possible for you, then what you do? You say Bahya Bodhaya. Mark this phrase. Again it is going to come. Here it means one thing, afterwards it means another thing. Here Bahya Bodhaya means Prapancha Bahya Atmanaha Bodhaya. Atma, which is free from Prapancha, it's Bodhaya. So this is the one meaning here. Other meaning, right opposite to that, will be seen afterwards in that particular context. So means how that word has come. See, in Shruti we find Suryo yatha sarva lokasya chakshuhu nanipyate chakshushayir bahya doshayhi. Sun illumines the world. But does the sun get tainted by the defects in the illumined world? No. Like that, Atma Sarva Sakshi illumines entire Jagat, but it is not at all tainted by all the sorrows, etc. in the Jagat Prapancha. So therefore, like that it says, iti ekaha tatha sarva bhutantaratma. Atma is the one abiding in all. The Bhutantaratma na lipyate loka dukkhena bahya. Atma see, Atma Sarva Bhutatma means what? The I in all, the Swarupa of all. Yet every being has got sorrows or not, sorrows or not, then Atma should get no. Loka dukkhena bahya, untouched by, unscathed by sorrows of it, just like the sun. So that is Bahya. One who is not, that is, who is totally distinct from the sorrows of the all the beings, so that one, that Bahya, but that is Prapancha Bahya Atmanaha Bodhaya. Ashu, immediately, without delay, Imam Drishya Dasham Ashritya. Imam Drishya Dasham means Drishya Jagat, but which Drishya Jagat? Anukula for Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. Only to that extent. Deal with the world. You are not in a position to withdraw total yourself. But what? To the extent it serves your purpose of Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. So till that, depend on that, and you that put forth efforts to become the Atma-Dhruk. See, become the Atma-Dhruk. Samashritya Tvam Maduktam Shruno. Listen to my advice. So this is what you have to do. Of course, it may not be meant for Vasishtha. But teaching he has to give, because with him Vasishtha also was lost in Samadhi. So that is that. We hear that you say. But a teaching has to be complete. See, Vasishtha is an excuse. Like Arjuna was an excuse for Lord Krishna to give the teaching of Bhagavad Gita. So here, Vasishtha is an excuse for who? As we see, Lord Shiva, he comes there, means he will not come just like that. He has got this in mind to this thing, and he knows what his Vasishtha may possibly ask for. So like that, you see that. So that is it. Tushnim Stitena Kim. Tushni means Atmalabha Prayatnam Vina. चुपचाप बैठने से क्या होगा? Without effort, Tushni. Tushni means quiet. What quiet here? Atmalabha Prayatnam Vina. Without taking to appropriate efforts to gain the Atma Jnana, Sthitena, Avasthitena, remaining say, Kim. What are you going to accomplish? No Purushartha. No Purushartha. Nothing worthwhile can be accomplished. A few months back, I saw, you must have also seen this, a poster at many places in Bombay. A political party lost the election, after the election, and this thing. See? There is no defeat until the efforts are stopped. Really something great it was. There is no defeat until the efforts are stopped. Means defeat comes means, otherwise it is not a defeat, it is a passing phase. Means with effort we can certainly make it. It is not a defeat. It is a very thing. I think it is. But they wrote below Pramod Mahajan. But here they thought it proper. It is something, there is some sense in that. There is no defeat until you stop the effort. Same applies to Atma Jnana. Oh, it is not possible. No. Not possible. You have stopped your efforts. It is possible. Otherwise Shiva will not give. Krishna will not give. Rama will not give. Avatars will not bother to take avatars. It is possible. But you have to be what? One word. Dhiraha. Shiva has told, not me. Shiva said, you have to be Dhiraha. So, this is real dhairya, not other things. Other things, fine, relative vyavaharataha, that is good. So that is that. Say, Dhiraha Bhava. Continuing.
Ityuktva pāyabodhasvam mā bhaveti trishūladhruk prānenetam dehageham parispurati yantravat. Advaya Trishula Dhruk इति उक्त्वा त्वं बाह्यबोधः मा भव इति आह। इदं देहगेहं प्राणेन यंत्रवत् परिस्फुरति।
Again, Bhaya Bodha word has come. Here, little precaution has to be taken. Tikakara says, something is missing here. Means, in the manuscript, something is missing, is a matter of research, it should be investigated. Or, it to be this verse has to be taken this way. Means, these few things have to be taken into account which are not told there. Means some portion may be missing, is not able to, because manuscript, because Yoga Vasishtha manuscript, different manuscript get is a big thing as well. So what is that? It says, is like this. Among that is the perception in the world as well. See, the most damaging means Bahyakara Darshananam Madhye. Among the perception of the world, say, most distressing is Dehatma Darshanam Eva Mahan Anarthaha. Among the perception, taking the body embodiment as I is the source of all samsara. Mahan anartha. Sarvanartha bijam cha. It is the cause of all the calamities. So that means Dehatma Buddhi is the worst notion in interaction with the world. Again, interaction with the world is not possible without the Dehatma Buddhi. That's another. That what Lord Shiva wanted me to give up. Tadeva mama tyajayitum. The very same Dehatma Buddhi Lord Shiva wanted me to give up. And for that, Bhagavan Pravruttaha, he was engaged in seeing that I give up the embodied identification with the body first. So therefore, iti uktva. Means something is told there earlier. Or whatever told here, Atmadrik Bhava. Iti uktva. Iti uktva. Trishula Dhrik. Trishula Dhrik. Trishula Dhrik means Lord Shiva, one who wields the Trishula. Trishula Dhrik. Iti uktva. That is, I have told now or like this. So, first of all, that identity body should be given from that standpoint. It says, Tvam or Vasishtha, Bhaya Bodha Ma Bhava. So, these are the meaning differ. Bhaya Bodha Ma Bhava means what? That is, Bhaya Dehadau Atma Bodha Yasya Saha Bhaya Bodha. A person, Bahya Dehadau, Atma Bodha. Which Atma Bodha? Not Atma Jnana. Notion that I am. Be careful, this Atma Bodha text is that. Knowledge of Atma Surpa, not that way. Bahya Dehadau, in the external body, mind, senses, prana, in such things. Atma Bodha, the notion that I am this, means Deha Tadatmya. The one who has got, that person is Bahya Bodha. You don't become Bahya Bodha. You don't become the one who has got identification with the body. So, iti Bahya Bodha ma bhava iti aha. Iti aha. So now, topic changes. Now what is the Atma? Anatma Viveka has to be taken too. Body is taken as Atma by all aspects. Now body has got, see, Kriya Shakti and Jnana Shakti. That is what is called, that is what, so that is, yes. So that is, yes, Chetana Shakti. That is Jnana Shakti only. Jnana Shakti. Now, generally, a layperson thinks what? Body itself has got a capacity to function. Body it has also, as itself, got the capacity to know. This is not the case. Because of something else, Kriya Shakti function. Because of something else, Chetana Shakti function. That something else is to be seen, that is the Swarupa. From that standpoint, Dehasya, just one thing one knows, Kriya Shakti doesn't belong to Deha, everyone knows. Because body is seen to be dead. But like that, Chetana Shakti also means Kriya Shakti of the body depends on something else. At least on food. If no food, the fellow can't work. So like that. Likewise, the Chetana Shakti also is dependent on something else, and it is not the intrinsic feature of the, that is what, Deha, and both cannot be Atma. Both cannot be Atma. So therefore this topic starts now. Idam Deha Geham Yantravat Pranena Parispurati. Idam Deha Geham. This house called the body, Deha Geham. Pranena Yantravat, like a machine, Pranena Parispurati. It functions on account of what? Prana. Pranena Parispurati. Pranena Parispurati. Continuing.
Pranahinam Parispandam Tyakva Tishtati Mokavat Chalani Pavani Shaktihi Shakti Samvedani Chitihi. Advaya Pranahinam add Deha Geham, add Deha Geham Parispandam Tyaktva Mukavat Tishtati Chalani Pavani Shakti Samvedani Shakti add Cha Chitihi.
Deha Geham Pranena Yantravat Parispurati. Pranahinam na Parispurati. It doesn't function if pranas are not there. So therefore, Pranahinam add Deha Geham. Pranahinam add Deha Geham. Parispandam Tyaktva. Having given up all actions, functions, movements. Parispandam is movement. Means function. Tyaktva. Mukavat Tishtati. It remains like a dumb without any action. Means without any movement. It is Mukam is not really dumb. Without any movement, it remains. So therefore, this Prana Shakti is what? It says, Chalani Pavani Shakti. Chalani means Chalananukula Kriya Shakti. Chalananukula Kriya Shakti. It is Pavani Shakti. Here Pavani means not holy. It is Pavana Yukta Shakti. means because of prana, vayu, because of vayu. So pavana yukta, vayu yukta, shakti. There is other shakti is there. What is that? Samvedani. Samvedani means Chetana Shakti, Jnana Shakti, power of cognition, sentiency or sentience. Is it not our body is sentient? That sentiency, that sentience, Chetana Shakti, Jnana Shakti, that is what is called as Samvedini Shakti. Cha Chitihi eva. Not body itself, it is Chiti, Chaitanya only. Of course, Chidabhasa, that is there as well, but Chidabhasa without Chit is not possible. Chitihi eva. Chitihi eva. And that Chiti is of such nature. You now say, what is done? Viveka is done. Deha separated. Prana separated. Because Pavani, Pavanayukta, not Atma. Chiti, somewhere said Chiti. That Chiti is Swarupa, that will be shown.
One correction to be done. Between Sa and Murta, Avagraha is to be put.
S-like sign. Avagraha means up.
Sa, Amurta it is. Avagraha to be put, S-like sign. And Sandhi, Sat, Sattai, Vatra, the Sandhi is Sat, Satta, Eva, Atra. Sat, Satta, Eva, Atra. Samurta, Khadapi, Swachha. Shat, Sattai, Vatra, Karanam. Vinashyata, Prana, Dehau. Viyogan Marudevacha. Advaya. Sa Amurta Khadapi Swachha Sat Satta Eva Atra Karanam. Pranadehau Viyogat Vinashyataha Marudeva Cha.
See, Atmanatma Viveka is done. So that this most dangerous identity with the body has to be got rid of. Most dangerous means source of all anartha. Samsara is because of practical level. At the Mula level, Ajnana. But at the Vyavahara level, identity of the body. So that is Sa means that Chiti, which is Samvedani Shakti. That Chit Shakti, it is Amurta. It is formless. It has no form at all. Nirakara. Again, Khat api Swachha. It is more Swachha than Kham. Khat is fifth case of Kham. Kham is Akasha. You know, Akasha is Asanga. Akasha doesn't get tainted by whatever that is accommodated in it. So that is that. Likewise, so this Chiti, Khadapi, Swachha. Swachha means not tainted by Adhyastha thing. The features of Adhyastha Prapancha cannot bring any change whatsoever in this Chiti Tattva. Khadapi Swachha. Just as how Kham, Akasha, space is Asanga, much more Asanga is unconnected is this Chiti. Khadapi Swachha. Sat Satta Eva Atra Karanam. सत्सत्ता में सतः आत्मनः चितेः सत्ता एव अत्र कारणमित् अत्र में चित् शक्तेः कारणम्. This संवेदन शक्ति is what? What is the cause for that? Sat Atma Chit only. Chiti. Chaitanya Tattva itself only is the karanam. It is not because of something else like Vayu etc. It is not so. Sat Satta Sataha means Atmanaha means Chitehe Satta Eva Atra means Chit Shaktehe Atra Chit Shaktehe Karanam. So therefore distinction now. They are functions because of Pavani, Prana, Shakti, Kriya, Shakti. Those because of Samvedani, Shakti. Prana depends on the Vayu. So where Samvedani Shakti is nothing but Chit Swarupa. Now what is to be done? Listen. That Deha, where the Prana abides, Deha and Prana get destroyed, but not the Chiti. So that's why it says, Pranadehau viyogat vinashatah. What is prana? Kriya shakti karanam. Prana is cause of kriya shakti. And deha ashraya for prana. Both these. Prana, the mula cause of kriya shakti, and deha, the ashraya of kriya shakti, both vinashatah. Both get destroyed. How? Viyoga. The separation means disintegration. Viyoga here is because of disintegration they get destroyed. Viyoga nashataha. Vinashataha. Vinashataha. What it means? Marudeva cha shishyate. Cha means shishyate. Marudeva. Marud is Vayu, the cause of prana. That only, of course, for the time being. For the time being, that also afterwards gets destroyed. Marudeva cha shishyate. Cha means what? And means shishyate. Remains. Then what about Chit? It is much more swachha than that is even the what was called as khadapi swachha. And that one doesn't get destroyed. Chiti, which was, that means swachha than even the space, akasha, that doesn't get destroyed. Continue.
Chidatma khadapi swachha na vinashyati kim pramaihi manah pranamaye dehe Chittattvam parijayate. Anvaya. Chidatma khat api swachha na vinashyati pramaihi kim manah pranamaye dehe Chittattvam parijayate.
To show that Chit Tattva, Chiti, Chit Shakti doesn't get destroyed. If the contrast was drawn from with respect to what? Deha and Prana, they get destroyed. So now we say, Chidatma, Chit Swarupa Atma, Khadapi Swachha, which is earlier shown, is what? It is much more unattached or asanga than the space na vinashyati. So, na vinashyati. Kim bhramai? Bhramai kim? Means, why do you get deluded about this? Why do you mistake the Deha as Atma? Because it is Deha is Prana, Deha and Prana are destructible, whereas Atma is not this thing. So, give up your erroneous identity with the body which is destructible. Your Swarupa Chit is not destructible. Therefore, Kim Brahmaihi? Brahmaihi Kim? Why do you get deluded like that? See? See, Mana Pranamaye Dehe Chit Tattvam Parijayate. So, Mana Pranamaye Dehe Chit Tattvam Parijayate. The question is, why does Chit doesn't get destroyed? Why does Chit doesn't get destroyed? So, for that, reasoning is being given. See? How, see, really speaking, Chiti is not the Swarupa of Deha. It is borrowed from what? Chiti. How is it borrowed? Chidabhasa. So when the Chidabhasa is not available, Deha is, true colors of Deha are seen. See, Deha of a living person is what, live and sentient or not? And we mistake that what? Yeah, it is Sachetana. No, it is because of borrowed Chidabhasa. If Chidabhasa is not available, what I said was true color of Deha. What is that? Jadatva. That is within show. So therefore, how Chidabhasa takes it, see, wherever Antakarana Suksha Sharira is there, Chidabhasa is there. If it is not there, even if Deha is there, no Chidabhasa possible. Deha is destructible only. From that says Mana Pranamaye Dehe means in the Deha endowed with Linga Sharira. Mana Prana stands for Linga Deha. Mana Pranamaye Dehe Linga Deha Samvalite. In the Deha endowed with Linga Deha Sukshma Sharire Chittattvam Parijayate. What is that? Chittattvam Parijayate. What is Chittattvam? Here, literally it means what? Chittattva is born. Means Chidabhasa is born. Chit Pratibimba is available. Chit Pratibimba is available. So how it is available? So that is being explained, and it will be shown in mere Stula Deha. Chit Pratibimba is not going to be available. Continue.
Mukure Yamala Bhate Pratibimbam Pravartate Sadapyagragatam Vastu Pratibimba Kriyam Vina
Continue.
Yatha Nasti Malopete Mukure Muninayaka Tatha Nasti Gata Prane Vidyamane Pidehake. Anvaya Yamalabhase
Hi Amalabhase
Kukure Pratibimbam Pravartate Agragatam Vastu Sat Api Pratibimba Kriyam.
No. Take it. You have to take it there. Muninayaka. Take it. Muninayaka Yatha Malopete Mukure. Then take Agragatam Vastu.
Muninayaka.
See, first line is separate. Second line, Anvaya is with the 12th verse. You have taken this now, Muninayaka, Malopete, Yatha Malopete, Mukure, then continue, Agragatam Vastu.
Muninayaka, Yatha Malopete Mukure, Agragatam Vastu, Sadapi, Pratibimba Kriyam Vina, न अस्ति नास्ति तथा गतप्राणे देह के चितः विद्यमाने अपि चित् प्रतिबिंबं
न
अस्ति
See, all this is to show that in mere sthula sharira chit pratibimba is not, which is explained with the illustration. In mirror, clean mirror, pratibimba is there. In a dirty mirror full of dust, no pratibimba available. Likewise, where there is antakarana, sukh sharira is there, chit pratibimba is there. Where it is not there, even if the body is there, no pratibimba is there. She says, he means prasiddhi, it is well known. Amalabhase mukure means in mirror. What type of mirror? Amalabhase means in a clean mirror. In a clean mirror, pratibambam pravartate, there is reflection, we know that. So, like this. But Muninayaka, or Munishreshta, yatha malopete mukure, that said, in a dirty mirror covered with dust, malopete mukure, agragatam vastu sadapi. Even if there is an object in front of that dirty mirror, agragatam vastu means a vastu which is in front of what? Mirror. Pratibimba kriyam vina. See, that is what it says. Without that reflection, see, pratibimba kriyam vina na asti means availability of that mirror is without the function of reflection. See, that mukura is what? Without the function of reflection means in front of a dirty mirror, even if a vastu thing is there, it doesn't get reflected. Tatha, in the same manner, says, Gata prane dehake. In a body, pranas are departed. What do you mean by pranas departed? Mar gaya. So a person who is dead in a dead body, Gata prane dehake means dead body. Chitaha vidyamane api. Chitaha vidyamane api. Chaitanya is there or not? Yes. Sarvyapi. Chitaha vidyamane api. Though availability of the Chaitanya is there, he says, chit pratibambam na asti. There is no chit pratibimba. Chidabhasa is not there. And it is this chit pratibimba available in Sukh Sharira does the two jobs. What is that? Which gives you the perceptual knowledge of the world, and if you mean business, it can reveal you its swarupa provided you prepare the mind. If you prepare the mind to gain akhandakara vritti, it reveals what? Its swarupa. If you don't do that, you get carried away by that, you will be able to perceive the world, interact with the world. So that is how. So that means in the body, the identity body should be got rid of. This body on its own is not capable of taking to Kriya. It is not capable of taking to knowledge also on its own. Kriya is because of Pavani Shakti, Vayu Shakti. Samvedani Shakti is because of Chit Shakti. So that means the Pranas and Deha, which is the receptacle of Prana, is destructible. Pranas also are subject to disintegration. Vayu only remains. Vayu also gets destroyed. But Chit Shakti doesn't get this thing. But it gets reflected in this, and because of that, perception of the Jagat possible, and now it is going to be told that how perception of the Jagat possible, how knowledge of one's Sthiti Swarupa possible, that will be shown.
Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayanta Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisha Go Brahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Parjanyah Pruthivi Sasya Shalini Deshoyam Shobharahitah Brahmana Santu Nirbhayah Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityorma amrutam gamaya Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti